Hey fellow entrepreneurs, in this video I've got something very exciting to share with you guys. In this video I'm going to have Atan, who's an entrepreneur from Greece, who will be showing you this awesome affiliate marketing business strategy that he's been using to earn $400 plus and $100 plus per day using this method. It is a very consistent business model that I suggest you listen to. It's something new, it's something that has not been seen on my channel before. There's a lot of new tools and websites in this video, so I suggest you pay attention to this, and also head over to his channel. He is posting daily videos and strategies and business models on how you can make money online, and he is doing super well. A lot of people are listening to him and his strategies are really effective. But if you are ready for this value pack video, let's get straight into it.
Thank you very much for having me on your YouTube channel, Jay. What's going on, everyone? I'm Matan, and I'm going to show you in today's video on how you can make your $100 plus per day. I actually made $420 in less than 24 hours with the exact same strategy I'm going to share with you in today's video. This is an evergreen method, has been working for years, still works, and this is what every internet marketer is doing. They are building an email list. I'm going to show you how to build your list for free and make net profit of it. So what you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information on this strategy here. With that being said, let's get started. So first off, let's have a quick look here. We need traffic, we need an opt-in and squeeze page. To build an email list, we need to promote an offer and a follow-up sequence. I'm going to explain everything in detail, so bear with me here, but there are some details that you need to pay attention. So make sure, as I said earlier here, that you watch the whole video here. Let's have a look at the squeeze page first. This is an opt-in page squeeze page, one of my squeeze pages here. You can build this with any kind of page builder actually. I don't know what you are using. This was made in InstaBuilder, but you can do this with ClickFunnels or whatever you are using, as I said there. So basically what you need to do is actually give away something for free. Now what I did here, I did a free case study about how I made this $420, and that is what you are going to receive if you opt in with your email address. So if you can't make any video here, there is a solution to that too, don't worry. You can actually do a free report, and you just go to Google, you type free PLR products, which stands for private label rights. This is just one site. I just typed in Google PLR products. This is by quality PLR. This is another one, PLR database, PLR assassin, and you're going to look for make money online reports there. Find something that you like, download it, and this is important. Pay attention here, because you need to rename it. First off, you need to rename this PLR report. You need to do a new cover. If you can't do it, you can outsource it on Fiverr. So there is a solution to everything. And if you can, which I do recommend that you should also do, rewrite it a little bit so it is unique, all right? So make sure you do these three simple things. It's going to be worth it in the long run. All you need to do here is set this up once, and then it runs for itself. So it definitely is worth it to set this up correct from the beginning. All right, so now we have set up our PLR report, which has been unique, rewritten, as I said. Once again, I want to remind you and emphasize you on this, a new e-cover, and rename it, of course, also. So we have our report in place. This is going to be free to download with our first email. And now if I go back here, we need to find the offer, okay? For the simplicity, I'm going to ClickBank here in today's video because I did this with private networks, but it works just fine with ClickBank. So I searched for e-marketing and e-business category. We are going to focus on make money online niche, and you can see that this is sorted by popularity. You can sort this by gravity if you want to. I think it's going to show pretty similar results, but no, okay, 12-minute affiliate system. But let's have a look at the popularity here. And the first one, you can see you can make $298 is CB University. This is get paid for your opinions. We have super affiliate system. This is something I don't know what it is, but I think that I'm good with this one because this is pretty new actually, hasn't been seen around for a long time, and looks like it converts pretty good. So let's have a look at the details here in the affiliate page, and look at this. You can actually make up to 398.50 cents per sale here with this, and we're talking about monthly recurring income, another big plus to promote this product. So we're going to focus on promoting this product here. You see that it is $3.81 EPC, earnings per click here. So let's scroll down a little bit. This is the funnel. There are some different sales pages, but we need the main page here. We need what converts. The banners, we're not interested in this for now, but this, we definitely need them. And there is up to 16 swipes, correct. We need all these 16 swipes to set up a follow-up sequence. So how do we set up our follow-up sequence? We do need, of course, an autoresponder. And let's go here to Aweber. Aweber is my #1 recommendation. Trust me on this one. I tested all the autoresponders out there. I've been a solo ad vendor. I'm still involved in solo ad business. Actually, I sell to a few vendors. I don't sell officially. So I tested all the autoresponders, and this is my #1 go-to autoresponder. Is the easiest one to get started with, has the best conversions and open rates. So go with Aweber. And you're going to set up your follow-up sequence just as I'm showing you here. This is my follow-up sequence for my IM tips. So whenever someone arrives to my site, blog there, they will see this follow-up sequence that I have set up. And just to open the first email here, you can see here, thanks again for signing up to my newsletter. I have it included here so you can just download it. And of course, I like to brand myself here with my picture. So it's up to you. If you don't want to, you don't have to do this. And this is my welcome email, and I do have, of course, the report. I promote my channel here, but you can also leave your link to the offer right here below. Now what you need to do here in this follow-up sequence, I do recommend you to actually mix it up. That means that you are going to write some email swipes unique, a little bit with your twister, provide something out of value, something that people will like you, trust you. All right, this is very important because I'm going to explain here later on. People most likely won't buy straight when they have seen the offer first time. So if I go back here, we drive traffic. Let's draw a little bit here. We're going to drive traffic to the opt-in page, and then we're going to drive traffic to the offer. But they are not going to purchase it from the first time, so that is where the follow-up sequence are going to come in. They're probably going to buy after the 4th or 5th email, so they know you a little bit better, then they're going to start to like you, and then they're going to trust you, and then they're going to buy from you. This is how it works, so trust me on this one. That is why it's so important to set up 16 or even more if you can. Because when you have set this up once, it's going to run for itself. You don't have to do this every single day. The autoresponder takes care of that. Whenever someone opts in, they're going to see the follow-up sequence there. So let's get back here to the offer. What you need to do is actually use, for the simplicity in today's video, we're going to use a bit.ly, which is a link shortener, and a quick tracker also, so we can track a little bit. But if you're going to do this seriously, you do need a tracker like ClickMagick. It's probably the #1 recommendation. But we can do it just fine here to get started for free with bit.ly here. So we are going to use bit.ly. We do our shortened link. We grab our link here from ClickBank by just typing promote here. You see this is the long generate hope links. This is the long link. It's going to be shortened with bit.ly. And we have our link there, so we can use that in our promotion. Now, let's see here a little bit. Let me explain, by the way, also why it's so important to do this. I mean, you could actually go straight here from the traffic to the offer, but you always have one and only one shot here. So here you have many shots because people are opting into the email list, and then if they don't buy it first time, they are going to buy later on or buy something else that you're going to promote later on here. Now you have their email list. So you understand now why everyone is saying the phrase the money is in the list there. All right, so I hope that you understand this. Make sure, as I said, that it is a good follow-up sequence. It takes a little time, little effort. You can do this in less than a day, actually set everything up here, but it's going to be worth it in the long run. So we are having, let's see here, traffic. No, we don't have the traffic. This is what we're going to have a look at here, actually, finally, the traffic source. So we have our opt-in or squeeze page. We have the follow-up sequence. We have the offer there. You're going to promote the same offer, all right, at least in the beginning. So that's why I urge you to insert all the 16, put in a few unique also. Let's say that you have 20 follow-ups emails there. Promote only one offer at a time, all right? So make sure it is for these 20 emails the same offer. All right, let's go now to the traffic. There is free traffic sources, but free takes time, and time is money. So we're going to save ourselves time here. So we're going to actually go for paid traffic here today. And we are going to do, of course, solo ads. Solo ads is something that some people, they talk a lot of negativity about, but others say that this is the best traffic source. And if you know what you're doing with solo ads, it can convert for you very, very well. And that is exactly what I'm going to share with you, a few tips on how you can purchase a good solo ad. So basically, we are going to the platform here. This is udemy.com. Udemy, you can see it right here. And we go to the section where it says find sellers. So if I go here to the top, you can see here you can sort with maximum price for 60 cents. You got sales, you can sort with 20%. I'll be satisfied with 30%. Any niche we want to have, let's leave it to any niche actually. Sorted by sales, ratings 50 plus, and last seen within 24 hours, so we know that this guy is active. All right, so let's see here. There you got it. So here are some few sellers, and what we need to pay attention to, look at this. All right, percentage of ratings where buyers report sales. This is super important. Okay, so if I scroll down here, this is Jorge, a good friend of mine also. I purchased click from him in the past. We have Tim here. He is a guarantee. Look at this, 32%, and he has over 1,300 reviews actually. So he definitely has some good traffic there. Same goes for Jason. I know these two guys. They are safe bet in my opinion, 100% guaranteed. You know you're going to get real traffic, and it converts to sales also. So then we have Igor here, Daniel, also good traffic. So this is what you're going to search for, all right? So this, for example, look at this. This is a good indicator. So I'm going to be satisfied, for example, with Tim here, and I want to place an order. So here is a secret, okay? Don't go for 100 clicks. If you expect to be rich on 100 clicks, then you are totally lost. Forget about it. This is the truth. You need to go for, in my opinion, at least 300 clicks here. All right, because for 100 clicks it doesn't mean anything at all. A squeeze page would probably convert about 40% here for you, but with 100 clicks it is like playing the lottery. It can convert, but it cannot convert as well. So when guys like this has big email lists, they are actually sending the traffic there. You do need to have at least 300 visitors, and it can be a hit or miss actually, because what might convert one day might not convert the next day, and so on there. So that is why it's so important. Go for at least 300 visitors. It's going to be worth it for you. All right. So there you have it. You have your swipe there. They can use their own swipe also, but just insert something. I just use this, for example. You got to see this. This guy offers a free case study, which is me here, where he shows you exactly how he made $420 in less than 24 hours. Best of all, no prior experience is needed to start with this. Thanks. So basically, you can also send him a message and say if you think that something else converts for your list, then use that instead. Because people, they have been told in many make money online opportunities that use my swipes and so on. Don't do it as well, because they might have seen that swipe. So leave that to the solo ad vendor. This is another big tip that many people won't tell you. Leave that to the solo ad vendor. He or she knows what to do best to get traffic to convert for you there. So there you have it. Insert your link and then you add it to cart and you purchase that traffic. More or less what you have to do then is of course wait till the clicks has been delivered, and you will probably, for 300 clicks, usually you're getting a few sales there, but you are also going to make a few sales on the follow-up sequence there. So this is, as I said, an evergreen method, works with any kind of traffic. You can do this with free traffic as well. You can do this with YouTube traffic. I'm doing the exact same strategy here on my YouTube channel also. But this is what you should aim to do. Build an email list. This is the most important thing, if there is one thing you want to take away from this video actually. Alright, I hope that you found some useful value here in this channel. If you did, in this video, I'm sorry. If you did, I would appreciate if you smash that like button below. You can find out more about me on my YouTube channel there as well. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you very much for taking the time and watching this video, and I'm really looking forward to hear your success story with this strategy. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.